Welcome to this video demo of the Virten Prompt Library. Virten.app created the VPL to deliver a powerful, streamlined improvement to your experience and productivity while using AI-assisted coding. The VPL provides a streamlined way to append prompts containing critical band-aids, including directions to the AI to carefully review the codebase and documentation before producing coding implementation plans. Among many more useful features are gained by sprinkling in your preferred Virten prompt from the library. VPL has prompts for generating high-quality business development and marketing material. In the VPL are several standalone prompts designed to help you press the right buttons with the AI coding tool. The race is on to become the AI coding god of today. The best gadget for AI coding is the Virten Prompt Library, and there is more to say. Virten's curated content library of prompts provides well-rounded assistance for working on all aspects of AI-assisted software development from the ground up, plus business builder prompts to save you time and money. Let's hear about the features. Version 1.0 of the Virten Prompt Library offers beautiful, slick sci-fi aesthetic, streamlined layout of categories of prompts for your purpose, jump scroll buttons, matrix raining code passive screensaver, warp page transition animations, button animations, sound effects in the right places. Copy-pastable Virten prompt snippets are variety of background animations making navigation even faster and more enjoyable. Prompts for aiding you in all stages of software development, idea generation, prototyping, architecting, new feature implementation, debugging, information gathering, documenting software code bases at the technical level, documenting selling points for the end user perspective, business marketing strategy, business and product branding, marketing content creation blogs and upbeat stories. Welcome.